Tesla has developed a motor that allows heavy consumer vehicles to move with a level of speed and silence previously reserved for high-end prototypes. Established automakers are now analyzing this specific design as they reevaluate their own long-term manufacturing roadmaps. The center of this shift is a single, highly engineered component, the carbon-wrapped rotor. Looking closely at how this one piece of machinery functions reveals why it is currently so difficult for the rest of the industry to replicate. Every electric vehicle relies on a motor to take energy stored in the battery and convert it into physical motion. Most traditional electric motors hit a physical limit around 15 or 16,000 rotations per minute. At these speeds, metal begins to generate massive heat. Under intense centrifugal pressure, the components expand and warp until the entire assembly fails. This vulnerability has acted as a hard engineering ceiling, preventing electric vehicles from scaling up their power output without risking a total mechanical breakdown. To bypass this, Tesla reinforced the rotor with a sleeve of tightly wound carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is significantly lighter than the alloys typically used in motors, and it maintains its shape even when subjected to extreme heat and high-speed rotation. This chart shows the result. While standard motors peak at 15,000 RPM, Tesla's design safely reaches 20,000. This translates to a 0 to 60 launch in under 2 seconds, performance that is usually found only in specialty hypercars. It is an example of solving a mechanical failure point by applying a material science breakthrough. In automotive engineering, increasing speed typically requires a sacrifice in fuel or battery efficiency. The carbon-wrapped rotor changes this balance. Because the assembly is lighter and produces less heat, the motor wastes less of the battery's energy. This efficiency leads to longer driving ranges and less frequent maintenance, as the system isn't constantly straining against its own heat production. Drivers can utilize high-end performance without losing the practical benefits of a daily commuter vehicle. The advantage Tesla has over its competitors isn't just the speed of the motor, it's how the company can produce it at scale. The motor uses a simplified design with fewer rare materials, which lowers the overall manufacturing cost per unit. This flowchart shows how Tesla can use those savings to either lower the price of the car to win more customers or keep prices steady to harvest higher margins. Many traditional companies are currently tied to older factory models that were originally designed for the complexities of gasoline engines. Tesla is using this technical lead to create economic pressure that many manufacturers are finding difficult to match. This motor is a single part of a much larger technical network. It is connected to high-density battery systems and an AI that constantly learns from millions of miles of real-world data. While startups like Rivian or Lucid have innovative ideas, they have not yet reached the same level of global manufacturing scale. The carbon-wrapped rotor acts as a focal point where Tesla's engineering and manufacturing capabilities intersect, allowing the company to maintain a performance and cost gap that the rest of the market is currently struggling to close. If you want to keep tracking the technologies shifting the automotive industry, subscribe to stay updated on the next major development.